What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So in this video, it's going to be basically an update to the burn video that I have. So I have a burn video that got over 17,000, 18,000 views, and it should have been way more because obviously I'm looking to take all the revenue from that video and burn Shiba Inu with it. So if you want to watch it, the link will be up in the cards. If you want to add it to your playlist and put it on an everyday playlist, feel free to do that. If you want to share it with people, definitely do that so that we know it's going out to everybody and that they can burn it, because it's not going to get pushed out by YouTube anymore. It's just going to sit there. So if you guys want more Shiba Inu to burn off, feel free to click that video. But we're going to get into this. We're going to dive into how much is actually being burned off right now. We're also going to talk about the price of Shiba Inu, as well as going into hypotheticals as well. So make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Let's go ahead and dive into this. So we're starting here with this price. We see it at basically 0.00002915. Pennies or dollars or whatever, and you're going to see it down about 6%. It did go down a little bit today, but you did see it at a pretty steady level around this 3,000, mark, right? Currently, the market cap is at 16 billion. You're going to see the volume is down by 16%. Typical hold time is up. It's up to 57 days, and the popularity is still around 10th. Now, this is where we're getting into the video of exactly how much is burned. So I told you I was going to get right into it. It's not going to be anything to where there's a ton of fluff in the beginning of the video, but you can see here that this is the burn video, right? We're looking to burn as much as we possibly can with this video. Currently has 17.5 thousand views, right? It has 1.4K of watch time. It also has $179.51 worth of revenue. Now, whenever I get revenue, I have to factor in taxes that I would have to pay out for capturing that revenue. So the money comes to me, and then what I do with it is I buy it and send it to a burn wallet, which I did do live the first time. And as we do grow and hopefully have thousands of dollars that go through this video, I will factor in the taxes and then factor in how much will actually be burned off and all of that stuff. If you guys want to see that, I will probably do that live in the mornings and let you guys know exactly what I'm doing and how much I'm sending. I don't lie about these things. So if you really want to support Shiba Inu, this is a big way to do it. So I did want to go through some other figures just so you guys know. As we go through some of the, engagement or reach, it did reach 110,000 viewers. It's just 110,000 people just didn't click on the video. Now, this could be anything. Somebody scrolling through YouTube and all of a sudden it was there. They just didn't click on the video. So it doesn't mean that people were searching for Shiba Inu. They just didn't get it. But 9.5% clicked on the video and watched the video, to where you see 17.5 thousand viewers, which 12 or almost 13,000 were unique viewers. So that's great to see. We do have traffic that came from the browse feature more than anything. So people are searching for it. They did see it. They clicked on it. So if you guys want this to basically be 100% external sources or whatever, you need to send this out to whatever group that you could send it out to. Find the video. It will be linked down in the description and also linked in the card. So if you want to get that video, share it to any Shiba Inu platform you could share it to. That would be great. But that's what it looks like when it comes to a reach standpoint. But more importantly, the engagement. I think the engagement at 4 minutes and 57 seconds, only seeing about 38% of the actual video, I think did kind of kill the video a little bit. So the people that were actually watching, I guess, started to click off early on. And we could see here how it started to click off early on before the video even actually started. And it continued to go downhill until at the end, where 22% actually finished the video. So, this is definitely interesting going through all of this data, and I always go through all of the data. But yeah, we need to up these numbers in order to actually see a lot burned off. So if you're looking for Shiba Inu to burn off, this is the video to do it. I'm telling you, all the revenue besides taxes are going towards burning off Shiba Inu. So feel free to support it in any way that you can. And the thing that we're trying to do, if we go into the crypto spreadsheet here, the thing that we're trying to do is really essentially create our own burn rate, right? And we want to see what that burn rate will be after like the first month. How much are we burning off compared to, how much is out there or how much is actually burned off in total. I just want to see how much is actually being burned off there. So I'm going to find a way. I'm going to track this And I'm going to put down the amount that we have in the burn wallet and the amount that we have in the burn wallet going day by day or month by month to see if that number is increasing and what the percentage is that we actually added to the pot and how much we're burning off there. So I always want to see what that burn rate actually is going to be, and then we'll apply it and see how long it will take to end up making those moves, or whenever it will get to a higher price. So I think that's pretty much it. I mean, if you look at this 50% burn rate, basically, if you added 50%, it would take 20 years for it to get to a level to where it's in the millions. So 561 million. It would take basically 19 years to get to the level in the trillions. Or sorry, the billions. And then you would see it just about, I think it's like 10 years. 10 years to get to, it's 9 years to get to the level of 1.1 trillion. And then to break that trillion to get into the 100 billions, it would be 10 years or so, which is a great level, right? If you get to 500 billion from being in the trillions, that's huge because you can actually see that price increase a hell of a lot more from where it's actually at, right? If you see it at this level, currently 5 cents would be a $28 billion market cap if you see it at the level of 575 billion. So I know some of this may be confusing, but just know from this video that we have out there, it's meant to burn off coins. I'm looking to burn off, however many percent, 5%, 10%, 50%. That would be phenomenal if we can get to that level. However, it's going to be very difficult for us to burn that much within a year without the support of everybody in the community. So if you are a person that does like Shiba Inu and thinks that it can run and wants to burn this thing faster without spending your own money, because you're not spending your money, I'm not spending my money. It's literally taking the passive income from this and burning off coins. So anyways, guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I want to see what this is going to be. We're going to give you guys updates as we go along as to how much is actually being burned off for that day. But definitely hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. If you did watch to this point, I greatly appreciate you watching all the way until the end and being one of those people that supports all of the YouTube creators that are out there, whether you're talking about Shiba Inu or not. I really appreciate you being one of the good ones, that watches till the end. I'm one of those people. I can't help it. I have to finish a story, so I have to do it. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below if you guys want more calls, more buy alerts, a lot of different things that are related to investing and whatnot. Then definitely hit those links down below and sign up for the Patreon and the Discord group. But I'm going to get out of here, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video.